Guess what, Will? We have another dog book. This is called Dig Dogs Dig, a construction tale. You ready? We'll open it up. Oh, we have all the characters. Dogs at work. We have Duke, Roxy, Buddy, Max, Spot, and Spike. And inside I wrote a little message for you. For my sweet grandson Will, who loves all construction vehicles. I hope you enjoyed this book. Love, Nana. Hugs and kisses, June 8th, 2020. Dig Dogs Dig, a construction tale. Looks like they're in the bunkhouse. Wake up, dogs. You're going to be late. The sun is up. There's no time to wait. They're getting dressed. Grab your gloves, hard hats and boots, shovels, goggles, and dirt digging suits. Eat some breakfast on the go. Quickly now, you're moving too slow. You see all those pancakes. Hop in your trucks, there's work to be done. Go to the job site. Run, dogs, run. Down the road and over the hill. Driving big trucks takes plenty of skill. Let's see all these trucks. Round. Somebody's on a bicycle too. Look at all these trucks. Around the corner and through the pass, stop at the station to fill up with gas. You see the station right there? Okay, dogs, we're at the site. There's lots to do before it's night. There's somebody holding a slow sign. And here we are. Start up the loader, dump truck, and grader, bulldozer, backhoe, and excavator. The excavator digs deep with its scoop, pulling up dirt with a swoosh and a swoop. Oops, dogs at work. Push and plow and clear the way. The bulldozer makes it look easy each day. There he is. The loader picks up a rocky big bite and moves out the rubble with all its might. Hauling away dirt and sand, gravel and rock, the big, strong dump truck works round the clock. There's trouble in the pit. We've hit something big. Get down in the hole and dig, dogs, dig. What could be in there? Down in the pit, there's some busting to do with hammers and a pick and a rock splitter too. A job like this calls for a crane. Here it is. With its winch and a hook and its long, heavy chain. What did they find? It's a dinosaur fossil, a huge T-Rex bone. Ooh, with a tug, it breaks loose from its prehistoric home. Look at that. Wow. Look what they found. Now get back to work. Get back to your crew. Hurry up, dogs. There's more work to do. The graders perform their dance-like maneuvers as the ground it made smooth by those heavy earth movers. The cement mixer spins as the concrete pours. But there's no time to waste. We're going to need more. Sand, gravel, blocks, and some 4x4 sticks. The forklift comes over to pick up the bricks. Building has started. Here come more trucks, hauling plants and trees and even some ducks. That says ducks. Why are the ducks coming to the construction site? We'll find out. More equipment arrives. Unload it with care. Check it, unpack it, and stack it right there. Clear way for the flatbed. Clear the way, let him pass. He's hauling our trees. 10 acres of grass. They're unrolling some grass. That's called sod. And there are the trees in the truck. More dogs arrive with ratchets and wrenches, building fountains and fences, bathrooms, and benches. Unpack the boxes, follow directions. Make sure it's built right so it passes inspection. Grab the hose, fill the hole until it's brimming, and let loose the ducks for some synchronized swimming. Now we know why the ducks came. They made a little lake for them. Everything's finished. What a day this has been. Now open the gates and let everyone in. Dinosaur Bone Park. They made a park. The workday is over. It's now almost dark. We have just enough time to enjoy our new park. Swing set. Great job, crew. It's a place all your own. There's even a spot for that dinosaur bone. This job's complete. We've built something new. Tomorrow we'll find a new job to do. The end. Usually it takes longer than one day to make a whole park, but these dogs are very, very good workers. Here's Duke, Roxy, Buddy, Max, Spot, Spike, and Jinx the cat. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book. Well, I'm going to give this book to you too so that you'll be able to look at the pages while you listen to Nana read the next time. Would you like that? I love you, sweetie, and I hope you have a good sleep tonight. Take care. Bye-bye.